Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at this REOLINK video doorbell with Wi-Fi. It says to download the app to set it up. Got the manual and stuff in this nice pouch here. Here is the doorbell itself. The nice thing is you plug this in, you got the chime. Looks like that's some sort of alert light there. And on the side, you can basically control the settings, what sound it makes, probably the volume. And on the back here, looks like you have a spot to plug in a cable there, and you have a spot to put the card to record. It's got this nice protective film. Right here, you've got a button for the person who's at your door to press. We've got some hardware here for installation. We've got this cord here. Here you've got an Ethernet cable. Here you've got another little cable. This one's a lot shorter. Here you've got more cables. This is for like hardwiring. Here you've got two plates for installation. So basically, looks like you can use this right here as a template and then screw your doorbell into your wall. And you've got even more wires here. Here you can actually plug in your doorbell directly. So if you don't want to go through the actual wiring process, or you don't have like power set up where your doorbell should be, that'll work perfectly that way. That is the REOLINK video doorbell.